Laos, prior to COVID, already had levels of debt around 50-55% of GDP, which for a big country that has a lot of exports is something which is viable, but for Laos, it's problematic.
相信中老铁路将助力老挝实现陆锁国变陆联国战略，加快推进中老命运共同体建设，更好惠及两国及两国人民，同时也有利于促进区域互联互通和产业链、供应链稳定，为地区发展繁荣做出积极贡献。
Long time, people have been looking at ways of how to help Laos become a more prosperous country. And it was identified a long time ago that using its natural resources in a sustainable fashion would be the wisest choice. And Nam Turn 2 was seen as perhaps the flagship of that whole policy.